New Zealander wants to finish it this over and do a cartwheel for himself.
Well, be rest assured, every Janakpur Bowl supporter will be doing a cartwheel, and so will the dugout as well. Yeah, he's in no hurry. Lost both the encounters against the same team, Sudurpaschim Royals, and what a way. Come back. He can take all his time here.
He's waiting for the right ball. That's what he's looking for. Just the right one in his area.
Yeah, what a turnaround of events. Bowls lost the toss, were playing catch-up. 184 is what the Royals got. They've lost the previous two outings against the same team. And in a steep chase, the Royals... He's got through him! What a delivery! Yes, it's a muted celebration at the moment, but Nisham will have to walk back. Right through him underneath his bat, Dipendra Airi strikes to give away only 2 in the 17th over and taking the big wicket. It's 176 for 4.
He's done enough, Jimmy Nisham, to get them to this position. It's up to the others now to win it. Dipendra Airi has Jimmy Nisham's number once more. But the big New Zealander has had a fabulous tournament, particularly with bat in hand. There's been some big, powerful strikes, and it's sad to see him go. Nisham goes for 4. The bowl's 176 for 4.
Big man Nisham back in the dugout, but has it all come a little too late for the Royals is the big question. You didn't see a big celebration coming out of Airi after striking as well. 9 of 18 without breaking a sweat, without much fuss. The bowls can reach home. Akash Tripathi walks out and he knows his job as well. Yeah, I just wonder what's going on in the mind of Harsh Thakur at the moment, HD.
He's got a simple job. Simple job. He has to be there and finish it off for them. The equation is a simple one, but it needs a batter to do the job.
Yeah, that's more like it. That's in the gap as well. Work to do for the fielder. Does well to get around it and keep it to 2. Make that 7 now in 16. You can sense the buzz in the crowd at the moment. You can sense a feeling as well.
It's the slider. No big spinning off break. It's one that goes straight on.
You got to pitch it up rather. What an event this has been. What a tournament. 18 match days, 32 matches, HD. You've seen it all.
It's been brilliant. You know, the people of Nepal, all those involved in putting this together, can be so proud. Every single player, particularly the overseas players, have been blown away by this tournament, and fitting that the 2 best sides play in the final. They've been the most consistent during the group stages, and they've provided us with a spectacle here on the final day of this NPL Season 1.
Oh yes, and a big shout out to everybody part of this magnificent festival here in Nepal. Season 1, the fans, the association, the stakeholders, the owners, the production, the camera persons, the curators,